Ultrasonic pulses enter the outer ring, spreading as delicate pressure waves. Moving through the steel, they glide between the balls and along the inner race, revealing every contact surface. Where a scratch or inclusion hides, echoes return, painting a precise acoustic map without disturbing the
Grease. Same bearing, same camera, same light. On the left, contaminated, packed with grit and oxidized grease. On the right, after a full ultrasonic cleanse and relube. Every surface, every ball, restored to smooth precision.
After a deep solvent flush, the inner race lifts free. Oily film gone, steel shining, and every ball seat clear. What was dull and sticky is now precise and ready. Clean, precise, UIL.